here. Oh yeah.
Tell me what you want.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fiona Fernandez here. If you are someone new watching my vlog for the very first time, welcome, a brand new welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. I am doing super duper well, and if you can see, I just came back from college and then I thought let's just start to vlog because I don't get one particular start point to vlog. So whenever I do feel like I just take my phone off, turn on the camera, and here we are. So I don't know of how many days it's going to be, a compilation of like how many days and all of that. But anyway, let's start with it. Why are you inside? Why? Kitya bitarai? You know why he is inside? Because on the table there's this rusk. My mom was having her chai along with these rusks. And this guy is a big sucker for the rusks. You can see him wagging his tail. Where cruiser? Kahin? Mom gave him few, I gave him one. And still he's aware that it's here on the table. That's the reason he's over here. For the past 2 days, he was busy eating sugarcane. Like busy, the entire long sugarcane he has emptied. I shot the clip. I think he is of day before yesterday. I'll insert it over here. You can watch it. For breakfast, actually in the morning, mom had prepared pudina pulao, which was actually good. I like it. See, this was it. It was good. It is left over, and I guess this is, yes, yesterday's masli chikodi. Kal masli chikodi kella ne ma? Ma? Kal masli chikodi kella mano? Yes, and this is today's. Yen kala iche? Moog, green gram, and what is this, raw banana. For lunch I took that pudina kapula only, and also I am full. Okay, today I had my lunch late, plus upon that I had egg puff and all of that, so that I acidity. But we do have warm also over here, so it is my fave. Te muga dadiche warm. Te dakte dal sapple tak muga dadutte munchene. It is uska warm, but I like the chana dal ka warm. But anyway, now that it is there, I will eat it. I will rest for some time, and then I have to plan for what shots we will be doing today. I'll plan that and then show you guys what will happen. Okay, until then, bye bye. Sasta धूप गलचे बेटर कोणी बाहेर गलचे पडीला भितर स्लॅपर काम कोणी गलता रे धूप. Guys, our nativity feast was over a week ago because we didn't, we didn't prepare Karela, bitter gourd there back at Granny's house. That's the reason my dad got some Karelas. See, we got some Karelas. Along with that, he got some Ambados. I don't know. So he got it 2 days ago, and finally now he's like, for tomorrow we'll prepare it. So that's the reason he's preparing now. He's preparing now, and I like whatever he prepares. The right amount of spice, sweet, sour, everything, bitter, not sour, bitter, everything in it. So we'll see. If I'm there, I'll show you guys how he's preparing. But for now, what he's doing is, for now he's assembling all the vessels that's required over here. आतात करते की पहले करते? आतात रंचे? अब्बा जोंक ना है? जोंचे? तर जो या? येते निस्तेगी?
तुम्ही बसतात आहे म्हणजे
आवे म्हणले नाही, क्रिस्तान म्हणले. Emma, what are you watching?
सपन
सोपान है, माका सोपान म्हटलं. कर. First step is दुलाते. Huh? First step is cut the karate like this. Okay. Chris, तुका challenge. Yen kelar.
No thanks.
Yen kelar. बालाजी
चॅलेंज येतं ये केल्यावर काय करते
हांव तुका बालाजी दिता केल्यार फुल फुल काउन फुल दाखयचे काउन गिळाचे कळलं
बेट
बेट मग ताका चॅलेंज काय होतंय बालाजी म्हणटा फुल फुल काउन गिळाचे तुवें 3 फास्ट साबून गिळाचे
ते ना
ते ना तशें करूंक ना चमा काउन तुवें गिळाचे म्हाका करचें कथा की ना फास्ट फास्ट का नडा ते ऊजो पेटवून होता असून दी अरे तसे कट्ट करूंक ना चीटर इतले
काय
I told
यू सेड तुम्ही कट करचे काही सांगून
I gave you that full piece. You have to eat that full piece.
ना ना ना
That is not
केल्यावर बालाजी देऊ का भागवत
हांवें दिल्ले ते full piece.
तुम्हाला मग दिले वाचाव हे केल्यावर
You have to eat.
हे केल्यावर देतोय
ते पुरा घे.
पुरा
3, 2.
राव इथे गेली जाते.
पडे पडे
खिडकी झाली.
कथा आहे विकी का तर ना हांव 10 काउंट करता 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. गिळाचे चापून गिळाचे मामा कपडे
म्हणून तर
दीदी बालाजी दी
बालाजी will be tomorrow. मामा मोर करता झाले ते हातात दिले असले काही घाले ते ना का गिळ डू व्हेरी गुड टुमॉरो बालाजी टुमॉरो बालाजी ओके 40 rupees वाला डन Cool guys, Chris will be getting Balaji because of his achievement of eating bitter gourd. Guys, my dad already started preparing. Kalam pragala, udagala, oil, water, bitter gourd. Then what is this? Yeah,
Salt there.
No.
Buffet powder.
buffet powder and salt and kale chopped onions. Titlet nani ambades. You will have to,
Ambadis काले होता है ये हम पिस्ता तो ना देखो ना तक
properly smash the ambadis for the flavor, okay? Right.
Smash ने दाड़ो छे
English and smash it. Dadon chakana manta hit. Hit is not. It is hog plum. Hog plum. Ani kal lada shakal baju nahi.
रेडी दो
Then whatever. Then it has to boil. Then you have to add jaggery. I know only jaggery has to be added. Titla
कितने बड़ी गुत्ता नहीं पूरा
Why?
देवा करना
तितला म्हणे रांदी
सॉल्ट आणि जागर आणि ते
ना तू किती अशक्त
40
करची
रुपीज रेडी दर तुका
Then why today you're doing a different recipe?
ओय
नॉट दिस
Right.
डिफरंट पहिले
Go.
एवढं या प्रकारचे आता मागीर कोण दिवचे
So this water has to completely dry. Whatever you are adding.
फुल पचा 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 जाय
अच्छा. तितल्या मी सर जेवूया गी आम्ही मग भूक लागला यार वारा पडे
कोणी सांगितलं तुका?
लुक एट द टाइम दिस इज at what time we start cooking and all. No, you have to take.
मम्मा पहिले एक पॉज म्हणते त्याला मम्मा म्हणते मोगा मन आपोई तोलो
वही हो ये
मोगक हम आशी तोलो दिसानी रात तुका मोगा
शी करी पत्त्याच्या कात घाले
रातीच्या स्वप्नात माका
कितला बरं ना मावशी किचन रंतना पोदा मला. So for today's dinner, guys, we actually had. I told. Half prepared banana. I'll tell you. The day my mom prepares veg, my dad will get something from out. Veg bitter. So he has got some bundas chili, squid chili. Look at this. Such delicious and such tempting. Even I had no plans of having, okay, because I just had shawarma. But looking at this bundas chili, no, my mouth is already salivating. Shah. कितले दोनच लागे ती कागे बऱ्याच आने तुझे पुलाव आवडतो मग पाहून हां शॉर्ट्स ना खाबो ओ दाडन से गंबडे तू साखर घालायगी ना गोड साखर म्हणालो ओ
गॉड साखर म्हणा गॉड घाले साखर
sweet म्हणा झाले god साखर no god is sweet you have to say. Oh, that you didn't say. When I asked you for recipe, you should have mentioned. You added jaggery also. Guys, add everything and boil it, okay?
त्याचे ओन साईबिन आहे तू हे कर ना का ताका कंचे येतात ते घालता तो
ओय बाई तू म्हणताय रेसिपी काढ म्हण
त्याचे मोसे कंचे येतात तो घालता आता टेस्ट समान झाला दुसऱ्या का नाही
Bro, this is for today or for tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Then why are you preparing now only?
अला तू करता ही
हा?
नाने 3 दिवस लहान पण एक गेलं
कोणी आणून सांगले की तुका?
आओ ताका तरी अण्णांनी पहिले आणून ये जाऊच्या पिकवून जाऊ बसले
पिकता की बिटर काढा एद्दळ पडो ना
पिका
I didn't.
मम्माने आज ते पुस्तक झाले
काले
हे वांदे
रांदे तुका किती जिरना रांदे. Guys, this is how husband and wife and wives म्हणून गेलाय. Husband and wife, both of them have to work in the kitchen. See, I hope I get such a good husband in future. मैं काले बाइलन मात्र काम करी देगी ना ने. What I'm saying is truth, 100% truth. Boil. I am done with my dinner. Today was actually heavy dinner. The day I think I shouldn't eat now. I end up eating a lot. And in the meantime, our karela is ready over here. See how it is caramelized, how the color has changed and all of that. So let me just try one, okay? Do not judge me for directly removing from there, okay? Dibul pata tat galat. Nice. Ille koduva. I guess it has to absorb. Ne? Ille koduva. But nice. तुका खाऊं क्या? काय नाही. दूध पिऊन जाऊ ना. She's done with her first round of milk because she was running behind all of us, and now she's still over here again for the second round of milk. पुढे जाबळेगी. दूध पियाला पाहा ना का. तू कत पडेगा मा. Anyway, guys, I think today's footage has already crossed like approx 10 minutes, so I will probably end this vlog over here. So thanks if you watched till this point, okay? Thank you and one kiss to you for watching till here, and I'll be ending this vlog. So if you did like this vlog, then make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, okay? And please do comment, okay? I need your comment for that reach. We will meet in another vlog, another Jhatpat. I will have Jhatpat vlog, impromptu vlogs, like in a day. Just started in the evening and now I'm done with the vlog, okay? Bye. Time to study, okay? Bye.